Hi there! This is the all-new Primebook 2 Neo, which I've been using for over 2 weeks now. Now, it's an Android 15 based laptop running PrimeOS 3.0, which is designed for productivity, portability, and is priced at just $15,990. Incredible. At times, we don't need an extreme powerhouse, but a laptop that's lightweight, fast at multitasking, comes with a comfortable keyboard and a long-lasting battery. Now, this also comes with an Android app store, so you can download tons of apps as well. Plus, it has Cloud PC, so you can access Windows-based apps as well. It's really cool. The new Primebook 2 Neo has its fair share of upgrades as well. It comes with a well-optimized PrimeOS, faster RAM, Gemini AI built-in, and so much more. Let me share everything in detail so you can decide you should buy the Primebook 2 Neo or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging, Primebook 2 Neo powered by PrimeOS 3.0. On the back are the manufacturing details. This is a 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM variant. Let's open it up. Right on the top is the Primebook itself, some stickers and some paperwork, and finally a USB-C charger. Alright, let's have a closer look at the build and design. So the build is all polycarbonate, but it looks very much like metal. It comes with a matte finish that doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Looks so clean. You can also spot the Primebook logo in chrome right in the center. It's ultra portable at just 990 grams, which is just unbelievable. It's very compact and light. Take it anytime, anywhere. Talking about the ports, starting from the left is a USB-A port, two USB-C ports. First one is for data transfer and the second one is dedicated for charging. On the right is another USB-A port. There's a headphone jack and a micro SD card slot so you can expand storage up to 1 TB. Trust me, it comes very handy. The lid also can be lifted with just one hand, which I believe is really important in day-to-day use. The hinge is also pretty sturdy and doesn't wobble at all. Excellent quality. Let's talk about the display. So we get an 11.6-inch HD IPS display. The color reproduction is pretty vibrant and even the smallest text is clearly readable. It comes in matte finish, which drastically reduces glare. Again, very clean. The top bezel houses a Full HD camera with a couple of mics which will assist you for video calls. The camera quality is pretty good and will work even in low light scenarios. Then below is the keyboard and the keys are actually quite big. We have been writing all our scripts on this laptop and I must say, excellent travel and very ergonomic to type. The experience was amazing. However, keep in mind the keyboard isn't backlit. But frankly, I don't see that as a con considering the price. Coming to the trackpad. So it supports all gesture controls, smooth scrolling on website as well. Very handy in day-to-day use. Watching videos and movies are so much fun. I must add, the content looks pretty good. Check it out yourself. You'll absolutely love it. When it comes to the audio, we get dual down-firing speakers. Here's a quick demo. Wow, that's actually better than some premium laptops. It's loud, it's clear, and even the vocals are audible. Good job there. Alright, let's talk about the OS and the user experience. First look and it feels just like any laptop you could get your hands on. You have the taskbar at the bottom with some apps. Then you can also see the battery percentage. You can see the Wi-Fi connectivity, icons on the desktop like we see on Windows, settings, browser, app store. More on that later. Now as we dive into the settings, you can see it's running Android 15 out of the box. PrimeOS is extremely well optimized for your daily workflow. Everything flows like silk. You can use the browser app to browse the internet. It gives you perfect full web page laptop experience and it's very snappy and responsive. It also comes with an app store where you can download tons of apps and games. Check that out. Comes with a huge collection. Anything that you can think of is here. We also downloaded the Instagram app. Let's also download Crossy Road. So obviously Instagram is optimized for a vertical display so you can see these edges, but still you can use Instagram even on this laptop. Let's play Crossy Road. Oh man, the graphics are pretty good for a laptop at this price. Smooth animations and I can assure you, you're going to love it. The Primebook 2 Neo is powered by the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset that clubs 6GB LPDDR4X RAM with 128GB internal storage. As mentioned earlier, you get an SD card slot so you can expand storage by 1 TB. I think that's going to be great. By the way, another interesting feature is built-in Gemini AI. Right here on the taskbar itself, click here and ask it any question that pops in your head. Also, if I'm surfing on a website, I can simply ask it to give me a quick brief of the article here. There you go. Then further, you can ask it more interactive questions. Gemini AI is the next big thing, and now you have it on the Primebook as well. So cool. Now, for the cherry on the cake, Cloud PC. And now you can get access to Linux and Windows on your laptop. So cool. This is just next level. We all want to use that app or feature that is only available on PC, like a full version of Windows Office. And now you can work on your spreadsheets, you can make PowerPoint presentations or work on a Word document right here. All is there. It's perfect for students who want to do their college work, school projects, or even for business professionals to work on the go. The battery too is also pretty solid. The laptop will last you about 7 to 8 hours on a single charge, and it comes with a 29.6 watt-hour battery. It's solid in the battery department. Now I know, some of you might think, how is this any better than an Android tablet? Firstly, no tablet comes with a USB-A port. So now you can plug in a pen drive or even a mouse dongle. Trust me, it's a huge deal. When it comes to multitasking on a laptop with multiple apps open, it's far superior compared to that split screen on tablets. Then tablets mostly come with very flimsy foldable keyboards. Here, you get a keyboard which is a physical keyboard, and of course, the best part is this laptop has Android and Windows, both. So technically, you get the best of both worlds on a portable device under 16,000. Just amazing. Alright, final thoughts. So the Primebook 2 Neo is a lightweight, portable and an ideal hybrid laptop, giving you everything you need without burning a hole in your pocket. You can buy it right now from Primebook website or even from Amazon or Flipkart for just 15,990. I'll share the links of all these options below in the description. If you'd like to buy one or even two, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.